Yeah, my wonderful people. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Happy Saturday, happy weekend, and happy Friday last night. I hope everything they sang MNK. We don't come again this morning with this bonga news. Make on here waiting zoo. They tell us. They said only court can decide his fate. That is talking about the federal government speaks on the possibilities of releasing Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader. They don't come again. This is exactly what happened 3 years ago when our so-called leaders, Obiozo and the rest of them, went to visit Buhari so that they will seek political solution to this issue. Buhari told them right before their face that it's only court that will determine the fate of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same Buhari and Malami disagreed when the court discharged and acquitted him, and they go do what they call the state of execution. It is only in a banana republic you will hear a court of competent jurisdiction will pronounce judgment. The same court with the state of execution. It is never done in anywhere in the world. Any developed countries that try that, my dear, the citizens will rise up against them. But Nigeria has been a country, not even a country itself, it's a contraption with a diverse interest of different nationalities and different tribes. So, if Igbos arose, police will kill them. But if Yorubas arose, police will protect them. If Hausas and Fulanis arose to protest, police will also protect them. So, for you to say that this country have no any reason to become one, just like Awolowo said in back days. So now they are back to the same court again. That court will decide the fate of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even when the court have already said, free this man. That the method which you people used to brought him to Nigeria is fake, is illegal, and it is against the treaty. I mean, it is against the international laws on rendition, which Nigeria is a signatory to, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just trying to catch up the cruise. So, my wonderful Biafran brothers and sisters in part, we are going to read the news now. And as we are reading, please, if you have anything to say, just drop it at the comment section. Like, share, comment, and make sure you keep subscribing to this channel for more interesting videos coming your way. Another issue we are going to treat here again is the issue of Junior Pope. According to them, they said the boat driver who carried the late Junior Pope, other actors not certified. Who told you they are not certified? NSIB. Anyway, this is another story where we'll go interact when we come back. Ngwa, let us go there. No time to tell time. This one is just a very brief information and very brief message. The Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, has declared the case of Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, as particularly challenging and one that only a competent court of law can resolve. Okute News report that this statement came during the sectoral ministerial briefing marking the first anniversary of Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration, alias Agbado or Adekunle. Addressing journalists in Abuja on Friday, Fagbemi emphasized the complexity of Kanu's legal situation, stating that with the matter already before the courts, it was prudent to allow the legal process to unfold. He noted a significant difference between the cases of Kanu and Omoyele Sowore, underscoring that Kanu's detention aligns with the constitutional provisions and judicial oversight. The matter is a sub judice, and as such, we must let the law take its course, Fagbemi explained. In further discussions, the Attorney General revealed that under the current administration, the Fulani government has secured 250 convictions across various criminal offenses, including terrorism. This record, he noted, underscored the administration's commitment to upholding law and order, even when they are lawless. In a recent development in the ongoing saga, Kanu's legal team filed a preliminary objection at the Fulani High Court, Abuja, stating that the team, led by the notable lawyer, questioned the jurisdiction of Justice Binta Iyako to continue the trial on several counts, citing constitutional concerns and previous international tribunal discussions. So, in other words, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have no any reason to be in Nigeria or to be tried in any Zoological Republic of Nigeria court of law. because their court is what have been hijacked by money-backed politicians. The objection specifically challenges the applicability of the laws under which Kanu is charged, arguing they have either been repealed or are unsupported by sufficient evidence. What evidence do you have against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You have not proven any evidence. You have not provided any evidence. That just this one is just witch hunting. Yes, exactly. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going prosecution but persecution. Moreover, they argue that certain counts are attempting to retroactively criminalize actions that were not offense at the time they were committed. On Monday, Justice Iyako ruled against Kanu's request for bail, restoration, and transfer from DSS custody, maintaining that the stringent measures were justifiable under the circumstances. All is lie upon lies. Another issue, the boat driver who carried a late Junior Pope, other actors not verified, NSIB. The Nigerian Society Investigation Bureau has reviewed or released a preliminary report on a tragic boat accident that claimed the lives of 5 individuals, including popular Nollywood actor Paul Odunwodo, known professionally as Junior Pope. The accident, which occurred in the Anam River, Anambra State, on April 10, 2024, involved a boat carrying 12 actors and crew members. On the long run, during a press briefing on Friday, the NSIB presented findings from this incident alongside other aviation and marine reports. The Director General of NSIB, Captain Alex Bade, JN, revealed that the boat driver involved in the fatal accident was not certified, raising significant concerns about the safety measures adhered to when operating the vessel. The boat itself was also not registered with the National Inland Waterways Authority, further compounding the irregularities surrounding the event. The report detailed that the speedboat capsized, throwing all occupants into the river. While 7 individuals were rescued alive, 5 were fatally injured, including Nollywood talents such as Mrs. Abigail Frederick, Mr. Precious of Forum, and Mr. Joseph Anointing. The NSIB was not immediately informed of the incident but became aware through social media, prompting an investigation by their Enugu regional office. In response to this finding, the NSIB has dispatched investigators to the site and is expected to provide a detailed analysis in their final report, even when the dead have been buried. The director said there was only one person on the wooden fishing canoe. This rowdiness in the boat distracted the driver, and he was not looking out as required. The boat was on a high speed, and the crossing canoe was moving at a much slower speed. The only occupant of the canoe, was sighting the fast approaching boat, jumped into the river and escaped. The boat collided with the canoe at a high speed, which resulted in the boat capsizing, and all persons on board were flung into Anam River. The preliminary report stated that while 5 passengers on the boat were fatally injured, the remaining 7 passengers and the driver survived the crash. He said only one passenger on the outer outboard engine fiber boat was wearing a life jacket. The only passenger wearing a life jacket came with it and was not provided by the operator of the said speedboat. The passenger wearing the life jacket was one of the survivors. The boat was fitted with an outboard engine. There was no manifest of passengers and persons on board the boat. The rescue operations was not only timely, and there were no trained divers around to assist in the operation. In its safety recommendations, the Bureau urged the National Inland Waterways Authority ensure that all boats involved in commercial activities, goods and passengers within the National Inland Waterways are registered adding the authority must ensure adequate safety measures are implemented and enforced in our inland waterways. Look at what they are saying, that the boat are not registered, there's no manifest, like this, like that. That is only the country, only in animal kingdom that will be hearing this. After after a lot of souls will have been wasted, they are not registered, but I'm very sure that each boat that depart from the from the shore there, before they enter there was tax collectors who collected money from those people when the load finish. Yes, because they have agboro in every areas. Even in the air, Nigeria have agboro. In the water, they have agboro. In land, they have agboro. In airport, they have agboro. In airspace, Nigeria have agboros. Because their president is agboro. Look at what they are saying. That the boat driver who carried the General Pope and the other actors were not certified. But they keep on running that thing, putting people's lives at risk. They are not registered. They are not certified. They are not well trained. That is what we keep hearing. And people's lives are being wasted on daily basis. In a country that have enough, but the indigents are hungry. In a country that have been blessed with oil and other mineral resources, but that oil turned to be a cause to the country. In a country that have everything that other countries are even dreaming to have, but yet they are not making use of their heads. Instead, they are thinking through their annals. Yeah, me, I go take back break, you. And I go hear my voice again when I come back. But my name still remains Amandi Anna Eze, reporting live from the platform of Okute Daily Talk. Please keep on sharing this message. Make it go viral. That the so-called Zoological Republic of Nigeria court don't come back now and say it was only court that would defy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's fate. Can you imagine that? No, Google kill all of them. As simple as that. Please continue sharing. I don't go. I'll be right back again with another blockbuster. Bye for now. Kemesiano.